I'm building this calorie tracker app in Replit with Google Firestore database. And I just got a home page here, and then you got the login if you've already paid, and the pricing page if you haven't paid yet and you want to see what your options are. So the next thing I have to do is connect these buttons to Stripe to collect payment and bring you back to the app, which would be this page. Once you pay, you come here, say you're 6 foot, 200-pound guy who's 30. You get to choose your weight loss options, your activity levels, gender, and it's going to tell you how many calories you should consume a day in order to meet this weight loss goal. And so this section down here shows you all the current foods in your list. Um, you can add new items down here that aren't already in the list. You can also delete items from the list by entering the name. So the second thing I have to do for this project is to make sure that this list is connected to the user account you signed in with. Right now, Gmail, the login button's only available for Gmail. So I have to make sure that your particular food list is connected to your email account or your ID. And then the thing I need to do after that is once I have the foods connected to your login and the Stripe pricing, I'm probably going to eventually add in some workouts so that you can see, okay, if I ate this much, but I worked out this particular exercise for this amount of time or reps, I consumed this many calories, but also burnt this many calories. So what's my net, you know, what's my net effect? So that's probably for a future version of the app. But that's basically what we're working with right now. Is the basic functionality, the payment options. This has been very challenging, especially the actual calculator wasn't hard. Getting the fire because of the documentation issues not being clear, getting the Firestore database connected was tough. Getting the Stripe uh, verification based on the user login with Google was tough. Um, yeah, signing in with Google period was tough. So between the database with Firestore, the login with Google, and the authentication with Stripe, this has not been an easy app. The actual logic itself, the calculator, was actually pretty easy and straightforward. But it's all these other things you're using in the integration, so that's tough. So that's where I'm at with it now. Let me know what you guys think about the progress, or if you have any ideas. Um, this is kind of the roadmap. I'm starting here. This part's already actually done. I just have to make sure everything's integrated with your login. And so this is where I'm probably gonna go next is like a graphs, reports, calendar, so you can see, your status day by day. That's probably the third thing I need to do is have it every every day separated by the food you ate and then the total calories and stuff like that, so you can see the trends and put that into a graph. May eventually end up adding in some meal plans, putting more foods in the database. Um, Doing some customized meal plan options. This is where the exercise tracking will go in with the time, the reps, and the calories burnt estimates. And who knows, I may even, if this thing gets enough traction or interest, I may connect you to some professionals to give you nutritionist consultation, maybe some AI in there, and some also some support. So and possibly some advanced analytics if people feel it's worth it. I probably won't go this far without a lot of interest and feedback and engagement. So that's what I've been working on. Hope you guys are learning something or enjoying it, and let me know if you have any comments, questions, and see you next time.